Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn about how to add zoom link in your Canva. First step is to open your browser. Now on the search bar, type in canva.com. It will lead you to a home page of your Canva website, and here on the top right corner, you can see this create a design button. Click on it and choose your required template. After that, you can see different options here on the left side. Click on this text and type in the text that you want to add zoom link to. After that, you can see this three dot here. Click on it and here you can see this link option. Or you can directly click on command key and it will show this option. Now here type in the zoom link, or you can directly copy this link from the website. Now click on done. And here if you click this link, then it will directly lead you to the Zoom official website. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.